Welcome back to Maddie Bugs Creations channel, and I'm Megan, and I'm grateful to everybody that watched my first video on how to make the Poly T spray, and I am back with another episode on how to actually use this Poly T spray that we made in the very first video that I made. If you've missed it, you can go back and watch it. Still have just a little bit left. I'm going to show you guys how to put this on, but first, before we do that, I'm going to show you this shirt that I made for my son. And I went ahead and I washed it 3 times in the washer to show you how well this Poly T spray that I make holds up. As you can see, there's no fading or anything on this shirt. It looks just like how I had printed it, or heat pressed it, or whatever you want to say. So this Poly T spray, I believe, is like the magic to sublimating on cotton. Besides having to go out and buy all polyester, and a lot of people like the cotton fill better than they do the polyester fill. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to put this on this shirt, if I don't break my tripod, because alright, so here's the shirt, which is a little kid's shirt that I'm going to do. My tripod keeps breaking. Okay, so the trick is not to put too much on this shirt, because if you put too much on this shirt, it will turn yellow. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to lay the shirt flat, and you want to spray just a little bit over where you're going to put it. You want to spray until it is completely wet. You don't want to oversaturate it. So if you oversaturate it, it will turn yellow on you. So like 3 or 4 sprays with this mister. Now if you have something that's not a mister, you might have to do it like 7 times. But as long as the whole part is wet, the image will stay on there. Now I have already went ahead and did another shirt that I've already sprayed down that I have underneath my heat press over here, that I'm going to show you what it looks like after it is heat pressed on. Yeah, see my cute little design. It says no more chicken nuggets, or chicken nuggies. I'm just going to lay that down there on my shirt that already has the Poly T spray on it, because it has to dry. You have to let it fully dry before you put your sublimation on it, because if you do not, then it will smear and it'll just look really bad. The image will look real bad. So I'm going to go ahead and heat press this and show you what the image looks like after it. And when I put my heat press on is 350, and I put it down for 40 seconds on this particular shirt. Well, actually I do it on all my shirts, and I believe that that is the best setting for my heat press, because everything seems to come out more vibrant and better. If I put it on too much, then I usually end up having yellowing of my shirt, and the shirt just doesn't, it's hard to get that yellowing out even if you use peroxide. For me it is. So let's see. Alright. Lift it up. Move that. And we move our image, and voila! No more chicken nuggets. Yeah, it's got some stuff on it. Anyway. Shit. Move this back just a little bit. Alright, I think you just got to clean it. Alright, so this is what the shirt looks like after it's been pressed. Still as vibrant as the one that I showed you after it had already been washed 3 times. And this shirt was already brown like that. I was practicing with my bleaching. So if you all like videos like this, or if you need any more visual effects on t-shirts, because I love doing t-shirts, please like and subscribe my video, and leave a comment down below and for ideas that you would like to see done, or anything that you all would like to see done, and I will do it and I'll show you how it's done. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe my video, or if you don't like the video, then put the thumbs down. Helps either way. Thank you. Bye.